Are you a globetrotter seeking new adventures in 2024? Look no further as we present to you a curated list of must-visit travel destinations, focused on architectural wonders and iconic structures. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing journey across the globe. Begin your global exploration at the mesmerizing pyramids of Giza, Egypt, where ancient civilization entwines with architectural brilliance. Next, venture to Rome, Italy, and witness the grandeur of the Colosseum, an enduring symbol of the Roman Empire's power. Continue your architectural odyssey in Barcelona, Spain, where Antoni Gaudi's visionary masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, defies conventional imagination. Then, set foot in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, to marvel at the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest man-made structure, piercing the sky. Cross the Pacific to visit the Great Wall of China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stretches over 13,000 miles and spans centuries of history. Unveil the hidden wonders of Machu Picchu in Peru, a testament to the remarkable Incan civilization. In Australia, Sydney Opera House stands as a true icon, merging architectural elegance with artistic brilliance. Lastly, head to the United States and admire the towering Statue of Liberty, a symbol of hope and freedom. These architectural marvels and iconic structures offer an unparalleled glimpse into human ingenuity and cultural heritage. Embark on this adventure of a lifetime, capturing each moment with a short video that will forever remind you of the mesmerizing blend of history, art, and architecture bestowed upon these travel destinations.